Today I'm working on a new border design using this lovely beige off-white fabric. To start, I folded the edges back about 2 inches and pinned them securely. I'm fixing my fabric into a wooden hoop, only halfway, as this allows me to work closely along the edge. For the colors, I've chosen a natural palette of beige and brown floss. I'm starting with the brown thread, using 4 strands for a bit of extra volume. Using my embroidery needle, I'll start from the back of the fold and come up right at the edge. We're going to work a series of lazy daisy stitches, but with a twist, I'm adding a tiny bead to the tip of each loop. This looped effect along the edge gives it such a unique decorative look. Try to keep your loops the same size and your bead placement consistent for a professional scalloped appearance. This process is surprisingly easy, yet it makes any garment look high-end. Imagine adding this detail to the hemline of a summer dress, the edges of a blouse, or even around the cuffs of your sleeves. It's those small details that make a piece truly unique. I recommend using high-quality glass seed beads. They have a beautiful weight and won't lose their color over time. Now that the base is done, let's add the final decorative touch. I'm switching to a tapestry needle and my beige floss. Using a tapestry needle here is better because the blunt tip won't snag your fabric or the existing brown threads as you weave. I'll start from the left and begin wrapping or weaving through the loops of the lazy daisies. While I'm using 4 strands of cotton floss for this border, you can adjust the thickness depending on your fabric. If you want a more delicate look, try 2 strands. For a bolder, more textured edge, stick with 4. This wrapping creates a beautiful braided effect that ties the whole design together. And there we have it, a simple, elegant border. Since this is a handmade decorative piece, you'll want to be careful with washing. I highly recommend hand washing your garments in cool water with a mild detergent.